If you've encountered security checks on DoorDash and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from DoorDash regarding your account status. They may have sent you specific instructions or additional steps needed to complete the security checks. Step 3. Update your account information. Ensure that your account information is up to date. This includes your phone number, email address, and payment methods. Inaccurate information can trigger security checks. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to restore access, reach out to DoorDash customer support. Provide them with the necessary details about your account and the issues you are facing for further assistance. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any updates or responses. If you do not hear back within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your DoorDash account after security checks. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for resolution.